Volleyball tournament, the All Cagayano Conference, and this is the main event of today's matchup, the battle between Team Peña Blanca versus the team of Alacapan. And of course, officiating this match will be Sir Marvin Isnek and Sir Gian Ancheta, national referees.
And later guys, we will keep you posted. Ipapakita na natin ang standing ng bawat kupunan dito sa men's and women's division. For the men's division, Sir Christian, meron tayong 2 brackets.
Ayan.
And for the women's, isa lang, no? And for the men's bracket, tiga 8, di ba? 8 teams per bracket. And sa women naman, we have
11
teams.
11 teams. And to start this first set is the gorgeous and pretty Ian Bulan from Peña Blanca.
And bago magsimula ang laro, Sir Christian, anong New Year's resolution mo?
Mahirap magsabi. Sorry. And of course, we would like to acknowledge the presence of the Municipal Mayor of Peña Blanca, Sir Honorable Washington Taginod. Ayan, happy viewing sir and welcome to our hometown, Alcala. And
oo, grabe ang suporta ni Mayor Taginod sa ating mga players from Peña Blanca.
Bulan serving. And first point goes to Team Alacapan with that down the line hit by Tabaldo, jersey number 16.
Mukhang maganda-gandang laban to, ang abangan natin.
Pukpukang labanan. Jaws. Ball still playable. And ball goes out for the setter of Team Peña Blanca. Two serving, 0 Ibanya, setter of Team Alacapan serving. Bangayan will get a point on that swing. Paul Bangayan gives the first point to Team Peña Blanca.
Walang kupas na Bangayan ever since.
Braso kung pumalo. And a service ace from Tumaneng, jersey number 10.
Speaking of, parang tumangkad si yung Bangayan. Ilang taon na yung Bangayan na yan?
I think nasa 23 or 24.
Okay. Pero parang lumaki siya, no?
Naging big girl na siya. Tabaldo with the service. Bangayan receiving. And a quick play for jersey number 15 of Team Peña Blanca. 2 serving, 3. Ayan, sa mga bagong tune-in lang po sa ating Facebook Live, this is the match between Team Peña Blanca and Team Alacapan. Tabaldo with the receive. Ibanya setting it for Buduan with a piston play dug up. Bangayan with an off-the-block point. Peña Blanca takes the lead for serving 3. Misreceived there by Tabaldo. Buduan with a chance ball. Piston play is checked by jersey number 12 of Team Alacapan. No entry for Team Peña Blanca.
Ang ganda ng opensa doon ng Peña Blanca, but a greater defense coming up from Team Alacapan there.
Huling-huli. Abang na abang. And the ball goes out for Atayan of Team Alacapan. The lead is back to Peña Blanca. Paul with the jump serve. Ibanya with the one-hand set. Bangayan digging the ball. Chance ball for Team Alacapan. Buduan with the 1-2 play. Goes to the opposite. And through the block, jersey number 3 of Team Peña Blanca. Ayan. Walang bababang bola para sa dalawang koponang ito. Bangayan still serving. Goes again with the jump serve and targets the zone 1. Point for a Team Peña Blanca.
Kung titignan natin, yung tawag sa ano niya, napaka-snappy. Jump serve from Bangayan.
Bangayan again. Too much force on that ball for Bangayan.
Nabati natin yung kanyang service.
Nausog. Buduan now on deck to serve. Team captain of Alakapan. 5 serving 7. Bangayan digging the ball. Bulan with the attack. He is dug by Buduan. And no coverage for jersey number 13 of Team Alakapan. A block point for Team Peña Blanca. Jersey number 3 to serve. Goes with the jump serve. And a point for Team Peña Blanca. Ayan, talagang tinatarget ng mga taga Peña Blanca ang mga kasulok-sulukan ng Team Alakapan sa service line. Again with that ace coming from jersey number 3. And he goes again for the second jump serve. Tabaldo to Buduan. Chance ball for Team Peña Blanca. Paul. Quick play. Puntos para sa Team Peña Blanca courtesy of that quick play by jersey number 12. Another jump serve. Ibanya goes to the middle.
Touch.
And
Sa touch. Anong tag doon? And
net touch
check
violation.
ball. Ay, net touch ba? Check ball.
Naunang na-touch yung net, kuya.
Okay.
Liop with the serve. Targeting the libero. Bulan with the cross court. He is dug. Tabaldo down the line. Liop still serving for Team Alakapan. Libero with a better first ball and a 1-2 play for Narag of Team Peña Blanca. Ayan. Isa rin to sa mga hinahangaan ko when it comes to setting si Narag ng Team Peña Blanca. Ball goes out for Buduan on that back row hit.
Attack error ba tawag doon? Attack error?
Yes. Attack error. Tabaldo with the first ball. Ibanya goes to Tabaldo. Again, targeting down the line.
Ang maganda dito sa labang ito, no, hindi nagpapatalo naman itong Alakapan.
Palitan ng puntos.
Oo. Great defense, great offense coming from both teams. Kaya tune in guys sa ating laro. This is only the set 1 pa lang ng Peña Blanca versus Alakapan.
Dice with the serve. Bangayan. Combination play for Bulan. Ayan. What a play for Bulan and the first technical timeout of the match. Peña Blanca leading by 5-13 to 8.
Alright, marami tayong nakikita ngayon fans coming from Peña Blanca and Team Alakapan. Mga taga Municipality of Alakapan.
Ayan,
Gising na po. Pagalawin ang baso. Pero baka nasa basuhan na.
Tama. Umiikot na yung baso nila.
Umiikot na. And isang araw na lang. Bagong taon
Putukan na. Ayan. We're back to the ball game. Bulan on deck to serve. 13 serving 8. Tabaldo Ibanya goes to Tabaldo. Cross-court hit too wide for Tabaldo, jersey number 16. Bulan again.
Ba't parang ang lalakas nila mag-serve ng Peña Blanca? Puro jump serve.
And a drop ball is good for Ibana of Team Alakapan. Gets their 9th point of the first set. And he is about to serve for Team Alakapan. 9 serving 14. Libero with the reception. Run and gun is out for jersey number 15.
Too much juice there.
Medyo napapalakas ang atake. Kaya uma-out. Libero with the reception. Drop ball. Ball still alive. Chance ball for Team Peña Blanca. Anong play kaya ito? Running for Bangayan. Ayan. Maraming variation of plays for Team Peña Blanca. Of course, with the execution of their setter, Narag. Magaling mag-disguise ng bola at hindi mahula ng Team Alakapan kung saan niya dadalhin. Ayan, shout out po kay Sherwin Erhas Tolentino who is cheering for Ian Bulan. Again, this is the last game of 2023 for the Apong League. The main event between Team Peña Blanca versus Team of Alakapan. Narag to serve, goes with the jump serve. And a reception error for Buduan. Point goes to Team Peña Blanca. Narag again. To service error for Narag. Tabaldo to serve for Alakapan. Good serve for Tabaldo. Gets an ace for Team Alakapan. The lead is cut down to 4. 12 serving 16. Service error. Binawi ni Tabaldo. And a free point for Team Peña Blanca. 17 serving 12. Tabaldo with the reception. Ibanya goes to the middle. And attack error for jersey number 12. Ataya of Team Alakapan. Liop with the poor reception. Ibanya with the chance ball. Quick hit is dug by Tabaldo. Buduan with the chance ball. Bulan setting up for Bangayan who is dug. Tabaldo hitting at the back row. And Bangayan with the down the line. Still playable. Opposite. Ibanya. Buduan to Liop. Ayan, walang bumababang bola. Bangayan. Too much juice for that spike for Paul Bangayan. Napasobra. And the ball sails out. Atayan to serve. 13 serving 18. Narag. And a point for jersey number 3.
And a smart move there. Coming from number 3. Ano pa? Atentar.
Of Team Peña Blanca. Paul now to serve. Tabaldo with the almost missed reception there. Ibanya. Narag. Combination play for Atentar is good for Team Peña Blanca. Ayan, 5 puntos na lamang po ang kailangan ng Team Peñablanca to close this first set. But of course, Team Alakapan
Still have a chance, no?
still have a chance. Tabaldo. Ibana cannot chase that ball.
But that chance is slowly,
And a timeout will be called on the side of Team
decreasing. And,
Alakapan.
Peñablanca is now 4 points away to get that W on the first set of this match. And shout out sa ating national referee. Walang iba kundi si Sir Marvin.
Ayan.
Yan guys. Mention niyo si Sir Marvin guys.
And we're back to the ball game. Bangayan still serving 21, serving 13. Ibanya goes to the opposite. Budwan with the rolling shot is checked. And a net touch is called on the side of Team Alakapan courtesy of that spike coming from Dais. Substitution for Team Alakapan. 4 in, 6 out. 15 in, 16 out for Team Alakapan. Ayan. Subukan nating bumalasa. Sabi ng Team Alakapan. Tabaldo. Quick play. Bulan attacking. And through the block. Bulan of Team Peñablanca gets them at the warning point. 23 serving 13. Bangayan still on deck to serve.
Pangay no, Sir Gavin. Joke lang.
Ayan, service error tuloy. Char. And Budwan now on deck to serve for Team Alakapan. 14 serving 23. And a service error gives Peñablanca their set point of this match. Ayan, shout out po kay Colby Bristol. Sana masaya ka, Char. Atentar to serve. And a service ace for Atentar, closing the first set against Team Alakapan. 25-14. Ayan. Again, gusto po naming magpasalamat sa ating mga sponsors. Of course, none other than Attorney Alvaro Bong Antonio, founder of the Apong League, and of course, the local executive of Pamplona, Ma'am Digna Puzon Antonio. Also from Alcala, Attorney Cristina I. Antonio, and of course, our tournament director, Ma'am Criselda Dadang Antonio. Thank you po for making this league possible to all the Cagayano athletes, especially sa larangan ng volleyball. And hopefully soon, babalik ang ating basketball league. Antayin po natin.
Reinforce. Ano ibig sabihin pag reinforce?
May import.
May import. But back to this volleyball, after nung ating eliminations, ilang teams ang makukuha per bracket ng men's?
Sa bracket ng men's, 4 ang a-advance sa ating quarterfinals.
Same with girls.
Sa women's,
Ay, kasi 4-4, so 8. Ganun ba yun?
6. 6 or 8?
Parang 8. Hindi ba 8? Kasi 4-4 for the men's. So,
Oo.
8 for...
8 po.
Another round robin.
Mm-mm.
So, pagsasamahin na yung 4 teams per
Sa
bracket.
men's, pag sasamahin na yung dalawang galing sa bracket A and B, then round robin, then top 4 for
Okay.
the semifinals. Ayan. You're still watching the game between Team Peña Blanca and Team Alacapan.
So, for the semifinals, 1, 4, 2, 3. Okay.
Crossover. Ayan, shoutout po kay Kirby Florita Ricardo who is watching from Amulong. And sabi ni Jid Maltizo Cambi, go Kuya Kendrich Cyrus Maltizo. Ayan, shoutout po kay John Lord Ligutan Lavadia. Ayan.
Yun nga, Sir Christian, no, nakuha ngayon ng set 1 sa mga manonood pa lang. Set 1 po, panalo po dito ang Peña Blanca against sa Lakapan. Tingnan natin ngayon sa set 2 kung Peña Blanca will straight this down to their second win in this match or kung kayang makakuha ng panalo dito ng Alakapan.
Ayan. Start of the second set. Ibanya to serve for Team Alakapan.
Speaking of Team Alakapan, of course, andyan ang ating mabutihing mayor. Walang iba kundi si Sir Harry Florida. And of course, papasalamat rin naman tayo for safe travels ng ating Florida bus ngayon kasi maraming magbibiyahe, di ba? Na uuwi sa ating probinsya. Back to the ball game.
Ayan. And the first point goes to Team Alakapan with that block coming from Dais. Ayan, sa mga bibiyahe po, pauwi ng probinsya, mag-ingat po tayong lahat. Ibanya with a strong serve goes out.
At syempre, para hindi naman kayo mabagot sa bus, pwede niyong buksan ang official page ng Apong League para manood ng ating mga games. But unfortunately, this is the last day of this year. No, kita-kita ulit tayo next year sa ating Apong League Volleyball All Cagayano Conference.
Pero pwede din nilang panoorin ulit.
Ay, oo naman, syempre.
Kasi may mga videos tayo doon of the previous games. Ayan, kung gusto nyong aliwin ang mga sarili niyo while nasa biyahe, you can still check on the Facebook page of Apong League. And all two, ngayon sa set 2 of this match. Buduan to serve. Banan. Talatad. No check for a talatad. And the point goes to Team Alakapan. Quick play for jersey number 14, Mailem.
Mukhang nagpahinga ang ating first 6.
Yeah, I think this
From
is
Peña
their
Blanca.
second starters. Ayan, Mailem with the serve. Dais. Buduan at the back. An attack error for Buduan. Point for Team Peña Blanca. 4 serving 3. Service error for Mailem. All 4 is the score. Dai is on deck to serve. Cross-court hit for Talatad is good. Ayan, kung hindi nyo po naitatanong, si Sir Japet Talatad is currently teaching here sa Lyceum of Alcala. Ayan. Talatad again with the attempt and check ball for Talatad of Team Peña Blanca. And their team captain to serve, Galang. For Team Peña Blanca, 6 serving 4. Ibanya goes to the opposite, Liop. Kilang was there. Talatad setting for Banan. A chance ball. Galang. Alam with a quick play through the block. Point for Team Peña Blanca. 7 serving 4. Another good serve. And a regalo for Banan of Team Peña Blanca. Lead is up by 4. 8 serving 4. Galang still serving for Team Peña Blanca. Budwan with the reception. Rolling ball. Galang is there. Banan tries to attack. Talatad. And that cannot kept alive by Alam. Jersey number 6 of Team Peña Blanca. The point goes to Alakapan. 5 serving 8. Galang. Kilang chooses Talatad. Swipe. Ball still playable. Galang with the chance ball. Tabaldo goes to the middle. Banan. Check. Kilang. Galang setting up for Talatad, who gets the point of the block. Ayan, apaka-energetic ni Mr. Talatad. 9 serving 5. Tabaldo. Budwan chooses Liop. Ball goes out for Team Alakapan. Time out for Team Alakapan. Our official score is 10-5 in favor of Team Peña Blanca with a 5-point lead.
And right now, Team Peña Blanca seems enjoying the game. And from Team DMD, pa-shoutout po kay Ian Bulan from Doctin. Hello, Doctin. Thank you for watching our live coverage of the Apong Volleyball All Cagayano Tournament.
Substitution for Team Alakapan. Tabaldo coming in. Ayan. Sa sobrang energetic ni Japet Talatad, hindi niya nakita ang substitution. And he serves the ball out. Talaga naman, Japet Talatad. Reception by Talatad. Banan attacking. And 4 touches will be called on the side of Team Peña Blanca. Seven serving 10. And an ace for jersey number 16, Tabaldo of Team Alakapan. Ayan, 2 puntos lang ang hinahabol nila. But this time, ball sails out for Tabaldo. Back to 3-point lead for Team Peña Blanca. Alam with the serve. Ibanya chooses Budwan, who is blocked. Tabaldo setting again for Buduan. Rolling ball. Kilang goes to Banan. Buduan targeting down the line. Talatad is there. Galang with the drop ball. Banan with the swipe. And ball sails out for Banan. Lead is down by 2. 9 serving 11. Galang, Kilang, Banan with a drop ball. And it's good for Banan. Scoring for that drop ball. Lead is back to 3. 12 serving 9. Ibanya chooses Buduan. He is blocked. Ibana kept alive that ball. Buduan with a chance ball. Combination play for Galang is checked by Dais of Team Alakapan. Says no entry for Galang. Ibanya to serve. 10 serving 12. Takad. Kilang with a quick. And Alam punches that ball through that block. And a technical timeout for this second set. Peñablanca leads by 3. 13-10. And we're back to the ball game. Kilang now on deck to serve for Peñablanca. Substitution for Team Peñablanca. Ayan. And Makarilay checking up for Kilang. Is about to serve. Tabaldo. Open block for Buduan of Team Alakapan. He is now on deck to serve. 11 serving 13. Buduan with an ace. A back-to-back point for Buduan of Team Alakapan. The lead is down by 1. 12 serving 13. Buduan again. Takad with an almost missed reception. And Talatad with a attack error. All 13 and a timeout for a Team Peñablanca. Ayan, back to the ball game. We are now tied at 13 apiece. Courtesy of that back-to-back point of Buduan coming from his service ace. He's still serving for Team Alakapan. For reception there and a chance ball for Team Alakapan. Double quick is Unsuccessful for Dais. Lead is back to Peñablanca, 14 serving, 13. Ball still playable. Dais. Galang with a point on that dump shot. 15 serving, 13. Galang with a chance ball. Tabaldo. Tabaldo with a big hit for Team Alakapan. Scoring on the open. Dice now on deck to serve. 14 serving, 15. Quick play for Alam is good. Back to 2-point lead. 16 serving, 14. Galang with the serve. Buduan with the pickup. Tabaldo again with the attack. His ball still playable. Banan. Tabaldo with a dig. Free ball for Team Peñablanca. Talatad through the block for Japet Talatad of Peñablanca. The lead is back to 3. 17 serving, 14. Ball goes out for Galang. Serving now is Liop of Team Alakapan. 15 serving, 17. Tabaldo with a cross-court hit. Lead is down to 1. 16 serving, 17. Liop again with the serve. Banan with the hit. Talatad. Quick play for jersey number 5 of Team Alakapan, ties the game at 17. Liop still serving. Targeting Damay. And a block point for Tabaldo. Blocking Talatad on that running hit. And a substitution on the side of Team Peñablanca. Makarelay coming out and Kilang coming in. Talatad out and Narag will come in. Liop still serving. Galang with the first ball. Ball is out for Banan. 19 serving, 17. Alakapan now with a 2-point lead. Liop with the service error this time. Narag is on deck to serve. 18 serving, 19. Tabaldo is blocked, rejected at the net. We are now tied at 19. Bangayan checked in for Banan. And Narag is still on deck to serve. Quick play by jersey number 5 of Team Alakapan. 20 serving 19. Tabaldo on deck to serve. Quick play there. Tabaldo is there. And a point for Team Peña Blanca. Kilang winning that joust against Buduan. Alam now to serve for Team Peña. Good serve, Tabaldo. Combination play and another joust won by Kilang of Team Peña Blanca. Gives them back the lead, 21 serving 20. Almost an ace, and Bangayan with the regalo and a timeout for Team Alakapan. Our official standing score is 22-20 in favor of Team Peña Blanca. Ayan. Lumamang kanina ng dalawa ang Team Alakapan, pero a turnover for Team Peña Blanca now leads by 2 on this second set. 3 puntos na lamang ang kailangan to close this match against Team Alakapan. But we'll see if Alakapan can bounce back on this. We're back to the ball game. Alam still serving, 22 serving 20. Tabaldo with the reception goes to Buduan. Kilang. Tabaldo at the back. Outside for Tabaldo. Puts Peña Blanca at warning point. 23 serving 20. Tabaldo again to Buduan with the drop ball is good for Buding of Team Alakapan. 21 serving 23. Galang. Combination play. Miss hit. Bangayan is checked. Ball still alive. And a miss set for Ibanya to Dais. Gives Peña Blanca their match point. Bangayan serving for match point. Buduan tries to get a point through the net, and that ends our match for today. Winner, Team Peña Blanca. Ayan. That ends our 2023 edition of the Apong Volleyball League All Cagayano Conference, and we will continue this on January 2024. So stay tuned for more volleyball action. Dito lamang po yan sa Apong Volleyball League All Cagayano Conference. And again, the match is won by Team Peña Blanca. And again, maraming salamat po sa pagbisita dito, Sir Honorable Washington Taginod, the local executive of Team Peña of the Municipality of Peña Blanca. Ayan, maraming salamat po, Sir. Ayan, congratulations. And we will see you again for more volleyball action on January. And thank you for watching Apong League Volleyball Tournament, the all